boost, but it cannot sustain your film. अगर फिल्म अच्छी नहीं है और गाने अच्छे हैं, गाने हिट हो जाते हैं, उसकी वीडियोस हिट हो जाते हैं, लेकिन पिक्चर चलती नहीं है, तो इट गिव्स यू अ स्टेप अप. हाय
इमरान, इस बार दिवाली में बॉलीवुड में 2 फिल्मी धमाके हुए हैं. एक जब तक है जॉन, एक सनम सरदार. अगर इमरान की पर्सनल चॉइस कहे तो कौन सी फिल्म देखना चाहेंगे या देखिए उन्होंने सनम सरदार या जब तक है जॉन?
You might think I look like a fool, but actually I'm not that stupid.
इमरान, तलाश के बारे में क्या है?
तलाश का वैसे तलाश मैंने देखी है, मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आई. I found it to be a very well-made film, very suspenseful, excellent thriller. It's a kind of thing which, personally, to my taste, I really enjoyed it. Ultimately, everything is in your hands.
Do you think among the Khans, Aamir Khan will always be the biggest fan for you because he's your uncle?
All of you think I've taken stupid pills today.
You stick next to you, man.
My collar is a little tight, yeah. To tell you the truth.
Chale?
Thank you, guys.
One solo picture, and then you.
Thank each and every one of you for being here tonight. I'd like to open. Hi, Baman, I never saw you. I'd like to open by just saying I had absolutely nothing to do with this. It's actually everything to do with the young director we have in the house, Shakun Batra, who I'd like to call in right here. Right here. We decided if it was a short film, we had to choose the shortest filmmaker. There is in Hindi cinema and in Dharma Productions. And guess what? Shakun Batra won by a long margin. That was the pun on long and short. I don't know if you got it. But anyway, well done, Shakun. And I'm so excited that this was our first endeavor with a short film. And I'm so happy that we could do it with Shiva Studio. With their recent bout with theatre, with art, with music, when they decided to collaborate with us on film, we were vastly excited. So I'd like to thank Shakun and his entire crew who worked tirelessly for all of 7 days to make this movie, or 9. What was it? Okay, we have a very exciting cast we'd like to introduce to all of you. Some new actors, some young actors, and some first-time talent. I'd like to call upon the very beautiful and the stunning and the woman who knows what to do with an organ, Yolanda. I'll stand. I still qualify, Shakun. All right. Can we have the very talented Sabah with us on stage? Sabah has already shown her acting prowess in many a film and has, of course, very graciously accepted to be part of our short film. Thank you, Sabah. Thank you very much. We have Karan Pandit, who's in the cast, who's not here. He will be at the Shiva screening in Delhi. And lastly, I'd like to introduce you to a young talent. He's the first time he's ever been on the large screen. He's a member of the prolific Kapoor family, as in the. Okay. Very happy if the Shivas team would, anyone from the Shivas team would join us here, because it's been such an absolutely amazing collaboration, and I'd love for their presence on this platform. Shweta from Shivas. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, please. I'm going to have Shakun say something very tiny for us.
Well, the only joke I came prepared was the short one, which he's already stolen. That was mine, just to tell you all. And I just want to thank everyone. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Shivas. It was great. It's like going back to film school with a lot more money, thanks to Shivas. Thanks, everyone.
All right, thank you. All right, Yolanda, how was your experience, my dear?
It was wonderful. I had lots of fun.
All right. Yeah.
Me ha encantado trabajar en esta película. Muchas gracias.
Moi, je compris ce que tu dis maintenant, parce que je parle français, mais pas espagnol. Thank you, Yolanda. Thank you very much. Sabah.
That just flew right above my head, but yeah.
Which is a bit of a head today.
Yes, isn't it? It was lovely. Thank you, Shakun. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, everyone.
And you were fantastic in the movie. Congratulations, and thank you for being a part of it. Thank you. And last but not the least, Mohit. This is your first bout with the big screen. How does it feel?
I'm damn nervous right now, and I don't know what I've done. But
you did really well. And you have your family support here. Yeah.
Woo! I had a great time doing a Dharma short film and working with Shakun. Shakun is amazing with actors, and I would love to work with him again.
All right. Well, we know that, and we love Shakun, and thank you, Shakun. I mean, Karan leaves him. I will not leave Shakun ever. And lastly, Shweta, thank you so much for collaborating with us. You have anything to say on behalf of Shivas?
Yes, lots. But thank you, Karan. It's been great. We've worked with you for a long time and across platforms, so thanks for putting this together. And Shakun, this is fantastic. I think it pretty much, while it's his interpretation of our values of creative brotherhood, but it's fantastic to see that, and thank you all. It was, I hope everybody enjoyed it, and many more of such collaborations.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody on this platform, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen, again for being part of this special evening. Have a drink, and hope you have lots of fun tonight. Thank you.
आपका इंतजार करके हम थक गए, आपका आई तो चाहिए, अब देर है तो आइए, आ जाओ।
Sir, wait. Yes. Do you guys have any questions?
Yes.
Any questions, guys? Boom, get the boom quickly.
I feel bad.
No.
Making it a lot of work. Why don't you just get a table, guys?
We'll try. Okay, questions?
Hello, I'm the first one.
मैं अभी नहीं पकड़ सकती। ये खोलना।
Ajay, questions?
मैं बोलना शुरू करूं?
एक मिनट छोड़ जाना किधर?
Okay, just tell us why.
Why am I here? Okay, I'm here for Shakun Batra, first of all. I think I loved Ek Main Aur Ek Tu, and he's doing a film for Shivas, who are known for their chivalry, for their class, and Shakun also has great aesthetic sense. So looking forward to a great short film with a lot of style, and hopefully great content as well. So I've never seen a short film before. I've never seen a short actually in a long time. So a short film with Shakun Batra sounds exciting.
Siddharth, we all love you in your film.
Yes.
And every young actor comes with an icon in his mind. So if you would like to know who is your icon in Bollywood, so who would be that person?
There are lots here. I've assisted Shah Rukh sir, so I think I was working in films the first time I saw him perform in front of the camera. So of course I've been inspired by him, idolized him. There are lots others. I think Hrithik Roshan, who I met after that, was very the hard work that he puts into everything else is amazing. And lots others. I think to name a few, I met Amir sir in London, who gave us tips about dancing, and he said, why don't you guys learn tap dancing? So I found that amazing. He's the only one who told us to do tap dancing in Bollywood. So yeah, all of them actually. There's not one.
What quality do you like about
You guys are going to Morocco Film Festival?
I like his head, yeah. I think he has a superb head. The way he thinks, and as I said, tap dancing to think in Bollywood, I think is superb. So.
Today he's been considered as one of the prime icons of India.
Yes.
What would you like to say about it?
Mr. Amir sir? Amir Khan? Well, I think totally he's one of the icons to look forward to as the amount of dedication that he puts into everything he does, every film he does, any art that he has to learn, he puts 100%. I have met him actually swimming before for a small portion in Talash, and I met him at that club where he was learning how to, performing that particular act for just a 30-second bit. So that's the dedication he puts into everything. So I think, yeah, he's truly deserving to have that tag name as an icon.
So Siddharth, your film is going to Morocco Film Festival. So
Yes, very excited. Our first film festival is going to Morocco. We're going next week, Marrakesh. It's exciting. Never been to a film festival. Never had people I've never met people outside who've seen our films who don't understand the language. So it's quite exciting. Looking for some great reviews, hopefully, and they'll enjoy it.
Okay, so that you've been an assistant director.
Yes.
You acted with such a successful film. I want to have your opinion. Do you think music is a very important part when it comes to box office success?
Of course, I think today's day and age, music is very important. Like, I think half the opening or half the hype that we saw in Student of the Year was, of course, thanks to Mr. Karan Johar. And secondly, because of the music that people heard, they liked it a lot. Disco Deewane was a superb hit from the word go. And, it just helps you remember that film, and it helps you to promote your film also. So I think it's very important. It makes your job to get people to the theatres very easy.
All right, thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Stylish in Bollywood when it comes to style.
When it comes to style, lot of Saif Ali Khan I think is very stylish. Hrithik Roshan again I think has a great physique to pull off anything he wears. Sonam Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor looks hot in everything. So yeah, Saif and Kareena hot stylish couple. Right, thank you guys. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
Oh, please मुझसे ये काम
जरा तेरे कितने हुए एक मिनट ये ले सितार
guys questions
रोल जल्दी अरे इसका तो गया हाथ काम से
आपकी तरफ से शॉर्ट फिल्म का क्या फ्यूचर है इंडिया में बहुत सारे शॉर्ट मूवीज बन रहे हैं
शॉर्ट फिल्म का फिल्म होती है शॉर्ट फिल्म हो या लॉन्ग फिल्म हो फ्यूचर फिल्म का अच्छा ही होता है और ये फिल्म में ख़ास बात ये है कि इसे धर्मा ने प्रोड्यूस किया है एंड मैं यहाँ पे धर्मा की वजह से हूँ और मेरा जो नेफ्यू है मोहित मारवा जो यहाँ पे अभी खड़ा हुआ है he is acted in it so I'm really looking forward for this short film. All right, thank you.
So one shot.
Okay, thank you.
एक काम करो वो पकड़ इसको दे देना दे शकुन ये देख ये कौन सा प्राइम फोकस क्या या सर फ्रॉम द फॉरवर्ड करण जी आगे है ना कितना भी इनके हाँ ना
थोड़ा आगे आना करण जी थोड़ा सबको आगे करण जी
करण जी आगे ही एक मिनट आगे ही एक मिनट सर